this. I'm so nervous to film this video. Hello, you beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you guys can't tell from today's title of the video, I'm going to be reading Ugly Love by Colleen Hoover.
Commercial break.
Hey guys, just wanted to do a little quick warning. There are going to be a little bit of spoilers. I tried my best not to, as it says there, but this video would just been too boring. So there are a little bit, but yeah, get your snacks, get your drinks, get the book, because I'm going to be mentioning book pages, and yeah. This is going to be a roller coaster, just because I know this book is very popular for like breaking people's soul. So I'm ready. Okay, I'm literally in the first few pages, page 12. I just want to say, I will be mad if I was her too. Like, man, you telling me you have to bring him in? So far it's going good. It was shocking. Like, I thought Miles was gonna go and save her, but I guess not. I guess that was shocking. But yeah, I'm gonna read a little more now. I'll see you guys in a bit. It is 9 o'clock right now, and it is getting. I'm up to chapter 10, but I read up to the part where they had their first kiss, and alright, I'm up to the part where they made a deal. That's the only way I've been up to. Okay, hold on, let me see. Chapter, yeah, what did I tell you guys? Chapter 10, so that's like where they made a deal. It was during Thanksgiving, if you know, and I was just like, also, the chapters where Miles talks about his past, like, I don't know how to feel about that, because I don't really care. No, it just sounds so boring. Like, I don't really want to know about that, but I mean, I guess why not? I was interested at first though, because I was like, what, like, Rachel, like, what? But now I'm just like, okay. And then they're doing something, and then I'm just like, no. Like, I understand, but no. I've been wanting to just skim through it, but I'm not gonna do that because I have a feeling it might be important. I don't know. Maybe this is my suitcase. I'm still in the middle of packing, as you can tell. But yeah, I'm gonna continue reading this, and I'll see you guys. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. Back home, and I'm here to give you guys a little update because I did read a lot in the plane. I was there for 5 hours, so I didn't read a lot. I did sleep for 2 hours, so I read for 2 hours basically. But now I'm page 194. This is definitely getting interesting. I couldn't leave it down. Like, I was just in the plane reading. The next thing I know, when I look up, it's 2 more hours in the plane, and that was it. I was like, what? I read for 2 hours? If you have your book, page 194. It is definitely to the point where it's like, all right, it's getting out of control. You guys need to fix this. Hey guys, I don't know what day it is today, but we are here. I'm here with my family in the rooftop park or something like that. So I'm here reading Ugly Love. I'm just about to start it, but I was reading it last night. Okay, page 275, the bottom of page 275, and the top of page 276. What? Did you just call her? So that's why he's like he doesn't want nothing more, like he doesn't want love. That's the reason why he doesn't want love. Like, I get it, but I don't get it. Like that should not. So cute. And then little island is over there. But anyways, I enjoyed it. It literally, like, I loved it. The ending, they're so cute together and they belong together. So I give it 5 out of 5 stars. The ending was so cute. I'm literally speechless right now. I love this so much. I feel like I'm gonna have a book hangover. I think I am.